So part 2, we got cut off. That's okay. Here's my lovely assistant here, Miss Addison. Thank you for all the marker colors. So what I was saying with unit rates, we're trying to get our bottom number to 1. Because when we're talking about unit rates, we're trying to find, said, per the hour. So meaning we need to reduce this to 1. So we could have just divided our top and bottom by 3, or it said if we weren't sure if this was divisible by 3, we could look at our divisibility rules. We already know from earlier, yes, Miss Addison, that this was 9, and 9 can be divided by 3, so the whole thing can be divisible by 3. So if I divide by 3 top and bottom, we had 171 divided by 3 gave us 57 miles, if I'm talking about that word problem we had in the quiz, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, or 1 hour. Okay, so tricky part was said with just unit rates is simplifying our unit or our rate till we get our denominator to 1. And so one of the skills that we really need to focus on in class this week is just reviewing the ratios and rates and simplifying. So we're definitely going to go back and start practicing our division facts and long division and reviewing those divisibility rules. So that's a quick recap on those things. Again, I'm a big supporter of interactive notebooks. I think they work great. It's a great place for kids to keep track of all their notes and not lose anything. Oh yes, and Miss Addison's telling me that it's dinner time. She is hungry. But this, however, is a fake apple, so we'll have to go cook up some dinner. So, again, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and go visit our website at gomadforlearning.com, and we'll see you later.